What's up, everybody? Brian Jager here from marketingwithbrian.com, and I'm here with another review for you today. So I'm going to be reviewing FB Master's training program. Now, this is by J.K. Dowell, and if the name sounds familiar to you, he did release a Facebook ad training course about a month or so ago, but it was a completely different method. He has a bunch of different methods that he does to achieve success with Facebook ads, and FB Master's training program is one of those. So I'm going to be taking you inside the members area here in a second. And I'm also going to show you some of the custom bonuses that I've put together specifically for this to help you improve, because there's a few things that are left out for if you're a newbie that you're not going to know what to do. So I made some training videos on that so you know exactly what to do and you're not left out in the dark and trying to figure things out on your own. So let me go through the sales page. There's a couple things that I find pretty interesting with this. So I'm just going to scroll through here. Right here it says step-by-step training shows how marketers drive truckloads of profitable traffic from Facebook every month, growing a list of repeat customers and making over $184+ every day of the year. Now, yes, that can be achievable if you have, the ad is successfully making money, if you have all the things in place for that. Because, I've done Facebook ads in the past and, been kind of up and down here and there, what's been good, what's been bad. So once you find a ad that is crushing it, then yes, these numbers can easily be achievable. But, it's putting in the work to try to find what the perfect ad is and everything like that, which, isn't too difficult. It can, it can be if you're, struggling and get frustrating, but just follow these steps. I'm going to show you. They're really good steps. They're very clear to the point. And I know a lot of people had success with Jay's last product with his Facebook ad training. So I have a very good idea that this is going to be just the same, where people are going to be crushing it on Facebook ads and all that. So let's see. The secret traffic funnel turned me from 9-to-5 corporate slave into full-blooded entrepreneur. And this training is brand new way of looking at social media and profiting off the biggest social network in the world. Yeah, it's kind of a brand new way. It's not entirely. There is a few things here and there that is brand new, but the whole concept is, about the same. 100% newbie friendly, complete training included. Yes, but like I said, there is a few steps that he didn't go over, which my bonuses will go over for you. There's videos, worksheet, cheat sheets, resources, and training will teach you everything required to become a social media master. Yeah, and these worksheets are really cool. They are really helpful. They have like little quizzes on them and everything like that. So yeah, those things are really cool. There's no fluff, no outdated tactics from extinct Facebook training. That's true as well. This is all training methods that people are succeeding with now. No gimmicks or tricks, and that's true too. So this will be $12.95 when it launches, which is going to be on the 16th of May. But he will increase this when it ends on the 24th. He's going to increase this to $4.97. So he sells this as like a upsell in his sales funnel once this launch is over. So you can grab this training right now for $13 and get all that inside. Or if you want to wait until after the 24th, you can get in one of Jay's sales funnels and buy this for $4.97 as an upsell. So that's pretty much it. Let me just scroll through here. And sales from upsells. Now he does have the price wrong on some of these buttons, and so just ignore that. But this is people talking about his last product, Evolution, and you can just see all the love that he's been getting for it and everything. And this guy made $60 so far in just a couple hours of implementing the training. So let's see. There's something down here. Where's it at? Here we go. So this also goes over what's inside the members area. You're going to learn how to create the perfect funnel that converts Facebook traffic like crazy, how to move traffic from cold to warm to hot, which is a really good training method that Jay is putting in here, because there's all kinds of cold, warm, and hot traffic. Your cold traffic's going to be like solo ads, new people on your email list is going to be cold traffic. Warm traffic's going to be people that have bought like the front end like this for $12.95, and then the hot is going to be people that have bought multiple things from you and is really hot, really responsive traffic, stuff like that. How to remarket Facebook traffic to your opt-in pages, affiliate sales pages, even upsells and high traffic offers or high ticket offers. How to create the 7 most effective Facebook ads. How to optimize any campaign for maximum performance. How to keep Mark Zuckerberg happy and keep his compliance team off your back, which is really important because they're cracking down a lot on what kind of ads they are allowing to be shown on Facebook. And I've gotten a Facebook ad account actually banned and shut down because not following all of their terms of service and stuff like that. So and once you get shut down, you don't get it back. You have to create a whole new account and everything. So yeah, this is a really important video to watch. How to find the key interest in any niche and then cross-sell them together. How to spy on your competitors' pages and ethically steal their demographics. And how to use the Facebook pixel to capture custom audience on autopilot, which the Facebook pixel is really important to succeed with the ads, because you're going to get really targeted information about the people that are visiting your pages that you're sending them to. So that's it with the sales page and everything. Let me take you inside the members area. So here is the members area, and let me scroll down a little bit. So this is a really well put together members area, and everything's is easy to follow. All the videos are real good, and inside each of these modules he has videos in there, and you can see this one's 10 minutes, and here's like a worksheet, stuff like that. Here 25, almost 25 minutes. So all these videos go into real deep intel on what to do, how to succeed, and stuff like that. So you're getting really good quality for only $12.95 for this. So anybody that's new to Facebook ads, struggling in Facebook ads, not sure whether you want to do it or not, then this is a course you're going to want to pick up. Now, if you buy through my link down in the description below, or if you're on the bonus page, there's a couple buttons for you to click on, then you're going to be getting these bonuses that I'm going to be throwing at you. So here we are inside my bonus page, and let me just scroll through this. Now, my review video is going to be right here, so it won't be all wordy there. But I have a little countdown to let you know how long you have until the price increases to $4.97. So this is the time until the launch ends right there. We'll just scroll through. I've already told you what's inside. So here are my 5 exclusive bonuses that you'll get. This is a webinar I put on for people that it's showing you how I made $4,000 in 72 hours. And it's a completely easy newbie friendly method that anybody can replicate on their own. And normally I charge people that watch it nowadays $197 to attend it. It's a 45-minute webinar, but you get access to it completely free by buying through my link. The next is cold traffic payday. Now this is a training video I'm creating to show you how to use a cold traffic method. It's not a free method, but to get it, it's using Warrior Forum, and all that you have to pay for Warrior Forum is to put it in their marketplace, which I think is like $15, maybe $20 to put on the marketplace, and then you just have to pay to renew it to get it back to the top. But I'll show you step by step how to do this, and I have a different method. Instead of just giving a lead magnet away for free, I make people pay for it, and then I just do that, and that helped me make over $300 in like 2 months, which, yes, I know is not a big payday for people, but this is showing you newbie friendly method that can help you get. You can use the sales funnel method that's taught inside of Jay's training, but he gives his lead magnets away for free. But so I'm charging people. So, it's kind of a little different thing, but it worked really well. And I mean, making over $300, that's like 300 lead magnets that I could have given away for free in a 2-month process. So that also puts people onto my $7 product that I sell. And the upsells for that, the $7 product's usually my front end. But as I sell this, it now looks like an upsell to them. So, it's an odd, different way of going about it. I was trying to think of a word without making it sound too drastic, but it is a different method to doing lead magnets, but $1 to people isn't that, that pricey for people to grab something that's about, I think it was about 20 pages long. My lead magnet was. It was just a PLR product that I use, which one of my bonuses is going to show you how to turn PLR products into lead magnets. But it's just turning PLR products into a PDF file and giving away for people. So it took me 10 minutes and I made $300 off of it. So, it's it's going to be a unique method, and I show you everything inside how to create your sales page for a Warrior Forum and stuff like that. The next is Email Marketing Insider. Now, he talks about, let me get a drink of water, sorry. So he talks about, talking to your subscribers and building them up and sending them offers and stuff, but he doesn't really go into how to, create the newsletters or emails, how to send them out, how to create campaigns, all that type of stuff. So that's going to be inside Email Marketing Insider. And then Lead Magnet Masterclass. This is me showing you how to take a PLR product that you get from, a website. I use PLR database and use that. I mean, all the PLR networks are all their websites are all pretty much the same thing. So if you have one, don't change it. You can do the same thing with whatever PLR database you use. That's just the one I like because it has all kinds of different niches. But I show you all that inside Lead Magnet Masterclass, and I show you how to turn it into a PDF and how to edit it and everything. So you can, put it on Warrior Forum. You can, send solo ads to the lead magnet, and you can charge them or not. I've never tried charging with solo ads. That was something I'm kind of going to experiment with next, but I've kind of moved on to a couple different things that I'm working on. But that's one of the things that once I get back to it, I'm going to try, and just to see what happens. Because solo ads is so up and down, people usually just jump in for the free offer and then don't even buy the offer that you're pitching to them, or you may make 1 or 2 sales, something like that. So I'm wondering if it's going to work. I don't know. We'll see what happens whenever I get to it, and I'll insert that in the cold traffic payday if and when I do that. But this is showing you how to do everything to give away lead magnets. And then live streaming video profits. This is also a lead magnet PDF that shows you how to do live streaming and how to make money doing live streaming with, Facebook or, anything like that. So, it's a really good PDF to read. And then, that's pretty much it. That's all the bonuses you're going to get. So you're getting 5 unique bonuses that you won't find anywhere else, because this is all training I personally did for subscribers and customers. So I hope you enjoyed my FB Masters training program review. If you did, be sure to hit that like button down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to catch all the newest reviews I do. And if you got any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment area below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.